Hi there! Today we're talking about recipe sharing and how it can help your restaurant's marketing strategy. Secret recipes are enticing, of course. Just take a look at KFC. One of the nation's favorite restaurants still holds its coveted original recipe secret. But in this digital century, sharing your recipes is easier than ever and can be a great way to engage current and new customers. If sharing your recipes seems counterintuitive to you, don't worry. You can keep your best kept secrets secret and share other recipes to spread the word about your brand. You'll increase awareness without compromising your most popular dish. Read our full blog article to learn more about choosing the right recipe, how and where to share your recipe, and how to encourage customers to use your recipe. Before you head to our blog page, how about liking this video first? See you again soon for more from the Lavu blog.